We are the same. We are what? I actually look at great brothers when they say they are not Igbos. So yeah, tell me, mention one word in Ikwerre that has no similarity with an Igbo word.
Now, you must agree with us that this is not the time to back down. This is not the time to give up, but rather, this is the exact time to intensify. The time to continue with what we started 3 years ago. It has been 3 years of fierce battle. 3 years of intense fighting on a regular. 3 years of risking it all. 3 years of financially supporting. It was a battle against identity crisis and identity conflict. It was as if we came at the right time, and indeed, yes, we did. We came at the right time to speak out. We traversed in all Igbo borderlines, in all boundaries, from one local government to the other, from one state to the other, from one community to the other. Sincere consultations, preaching, evangelizing, sensitizing to our people, raising voices, amplifying voices from every region for the sole purpose of combating the menace called identity crisis, which before we came has already eaten deep after so many years of neglect. Now, looking at the groundbreakings today, is it now that we will stop? Is it now that we will soft?
We are the same. We are what? I actually look at great brothers when they say they are not Igbos. So yeah, tell me, mention one word in Ikwerre that has no similarity with an Igbo word. I also tell them, if you say you're not Igbo, I'm going to Ikwerre, well, if you say I'm a big man, the only Ikwerre big man they are not expect for saying that he's Igbo. If you say you're an Ikwerre, if you're an Ikwerre man, you say you're an Igbo man, they will expect you. But for people like us who have been governors, they just ignore us. But I've told them that if you say you're not Igbo, look at the way you dress and look at the way the man dresses. The same type of cap, right? The same wrapper and failing. It's not the same. How do you identify people? By culture, by language, right? I've talked about language, I've talked about culture and dressing. And culture includes feeding. The Igbo man eats nothing than eba 3 times a day. But let's even diversify what the Igbo man eats. The Igbo man eats pepper soup with yam in the morning. That's what the Igbo man eats in the morning. In the afternoon, eba. In the evening, eba. There's what the Igbo call udu. You know what udu? Igbo go do it, right? So what is the difference between the Igbo man and the Igbo man? That the Igbo man says not an Igbo man. You know what I said Igbos? I said maybe you must have hurt our parents so badly that they want to, you don't want to be identified as Igbo again because you hurt us so badly. But whatever it is,